Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the electronics. So actually what is electronics? What is electronics? So the electronics is the branch of science which deals with the study of motion and behavior of electrons in devices which are made from semiconductors. So the electronics is nothing but, so when you are going to study the motion and behavior of electrons in various devices, that is said to be electronics. Mainly the devices are made of semiconductors. So the electronics is the branch of science which deals with the study of motion and behavior of electrons in devices. So if you are going to study motion and behavior of electrons in various devices, then that is said to be electronics. So electronics is nothing but electron plus mechanics. Mechanics is nothing but the momentum. Here the mechanics is nothing but the momentum. So if you are going to study the momentum or the motion of electrons and behavior of electrons in various devices, then that is said to be electronics. So what is electronic device? What is electronic device? So the device which operates through manipulation or control of electron. So the devices which are operated by the manipulation or control of electron flow are called as the electronic devices. So the devices which operates through manipulation or control of electron flow are called as the electronic devices. So what are the examples of electronic devices? Diode, transistor and SCR, these and so on. So we are having different electronic devices. So the examples of electronic devices are diode, transistor, SCR and so on. So mainly the electronic or electrical devices are classified into two types. Those are active devices and passive devices. So what is mean by active device? So active devices are the devices which can act as the source of energy. Active devices are the devices which can act as the source of energy. So active devices are the devices which can act as source of energy, and the devices which can amplify, and the devices which can perform switching operation. So active devices I am defining in three statements. So the first statement is which can act as the source of energy, that means which are capable of delivering some energy. And the second statement is a device which can amplify, and the third statement is a device which can perform switching operation. So the active devices are the devices which are capable of delivering energy, and which are act as the amplifiers, and which can perform the switching operation. So the active devices examples are voltage and current sources, because voltage and current sources are capable of delivering energy, and transistor. So the transistor is the device which is used for amplification purpose, and the SCR also. So then what is passive devices? So the passive devices are the devices which are capable of absorbing energy, So here a device which can dissipate energy is called as the passive devices. Example of the passive devices are resistor, a device which is capable of dissipate energy. So example is the resistor. And a device which can store energy. So the inductor and the capacitor are the energy storing elements. So those are also passive devices. So active devices are nothing but which are capable of delivering energy, and which are used for the amplification purpose, and which are used for the switching purpose. Passive devices are which are capable of which can dissipate energy and which can store energy. So the resistor is dissipating the energy and the inductor and capacitor are the storing energy. Inductor and capacitor stores the energy. So these are the various electronic devices. So here these are the capacitors, these are the passive devices, and we are having in this picture we are having the ICs. These ICs are the active devices because these are used for the amplification purpose. So what is electronic circuit? The circuit which uses one electronic device as the major component. So in any circuit which uses one electronic device as the major component, then that circuit is said to be the electronic circuit. Examples are amplifier, rectifier, multiplexer and decoder, etc. So in amplifier we are having BJTs which are connected in parallel or which are connected in series depending on the application. In rectifier also we are having many components. We are using half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, bridge rectifier. So depending on the rectifier we are connecting the diodes in series or parallel. So electronic device is the device which uses one electronic device is the major component. Electronic circuit is the circuit which uses one electronic device as the major component. So thank you. Hope you will get some knowledge about the what is electronics and what is electronic device and what are the electronic components. So thank you.